See here, you have to prove that this determinant is equal to this. You don't actually have to expand the determinant. Okay. Now what I did was last day, I added. Okay, I added the sum of the second and the third rows to the first row. Okay, and I
Yes.
got in the first row I got twice a plus b plus c. Okay, in the first row I got fine. Now
Yes,
see,
sir.
if I take this thing twice a plus b plus c common, then I'm getting 1 1 1, right? But I don't want to expand the determinant, isn't it? I want to prove that this determinant is equal to some other determinant, isn't it? So what I'll do is I will not
Yes, sir.
take I will not take a plus twice a plus b plus c common. Okay. What I'll take here is only two common. I'll keep a plus b plus c here. I'll take only two common. Okay. And I'll keep a plus b plus c here. Okay. Now what is the reason here to do this? The reason here is that because I want to show that this determinant where is it gone? This is number 18 2. Yes, because I want to show that this determinant, the left hand side determinant that I have taken as delta, is equal to this determinant. I don't want to find the value. Okay, like in all other sums that I have done,
Yes, sir.
I don't want to find out the value. Okay, that is why I have taken only two out. Why have I taken two out? Because I see in the question I have a two here. Okay, so I've already taken that two out. Now
Yes, sir.
the only thing that is left is I need to prove that this determinant is equal to this determinant. Okay, so what I'll do here is that I'll write 2. Now see, if I subtract a plus a plus b plus c from the second row and the third row, what will I get? From the second row and from the third row, if I subtract a plus b plus c, that is the first row, what will I get? Can you tell me what will I get? Yes?
Sir, A, T, and then B.
Hmm? A
Sir, A, C, A, C, and B.
in the second row, what will A, C, and D in the second row? No.
Sir, in the first row.
The first row I keep as it is, a plus
Sir,
b
in the
plus c.
first row. Okay.
Not first row. I am not making any changes to the first row. First row I am keeping as it is.
आंखों
Okay.
मुझे रात कटाना
Yes, sir.
सारी
Now,
रात
uh,
जागने
what I'll do here is that
उन्हें रात कटाना सारी रात
Govinda,
जागते
someone is beside you.
रहना आँख
Yes, sir.
Someone is
आँख
reading beside you.
खोलना
Yes, sir.
आँख
Yes, sir. My brother.
Oh, can you tell him to just step a little aside because a lot of sound is coming.
Okay.
So now what we'll do here is that we'll subtract the second row from the first row from the second row.
Okay.
Okay, and b plus c minus a plus b plus c. Also, what we'll do is we'll subtract that first row from the third row.
Yes.
B plus c. See what am I? What do I have here? Twice. I'll get a plus b plus c A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. First row remains as it is. And in the second row, C plus A, C and A both cancel, so you're only left with minus A. Here, you are left with only minus C. Here, you are left with only minus A. And here, in the third row, you are left with minus C. Here, you are left
Sir,
with
it will be minus B, no?
which one?
It will be minus B. Second row.
Second row.
Sir,
C
in the
plus A.
second row.
Yes, this one, first one
First
will be
column.
minus B.
Yes,
To
sir.
minus B. Minus B. Fine. And this will be minus A. Right? And this will be C plus A, only minus B. Right? Okay. So
Minus
here you will
B.
write your reason also. Subtracting first row from the second and third row respectively. Okay, write your reason. This is done. Now what we'll do here is we'll take minus common from the second row and minus common from the third row. So twice minus 1 into minus 1. I'll be left with just A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C. And you have B, C, A, C, A and B. Right? You write your reason. Taking minus 1 common from the second and third rows respectively. Okay. So 2 minus 1 into minus 1 will only be 2. Now what to do with this determinant? Can you split this determinant in this manner? Give a box bracket. I'll split this determinant. A, B, C. This determinant can be split into 3 determinants. A, C, A, 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 B. This determinant plus. Next is your B, B, C, B, C, A, and B, A, B. And the third one will be C, B, C, 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 A, C, A, B. Okay, this. Can I split it this manner or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me, can I
Yes,
split
sir.
it? Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Okay. If I can split it in this manner, then now what I do is I subtract the sum of the second and the third row from the first row. Understood what I did?
Yes, sir.
I subtract the sum of the second row
Yes, sir.
and the third row from the first row. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And these two remain as it is. C A, C A, B. Okay, so this. Write the steps subtracting the sum of second and third row goes from the first. Okay.
Yes.
So now on top, what do we get? Twice A plus B plus C minus B plus C. You simply get an A. And here C plus A gone, you get a B. And here you have A plus B, right? So you get a C. And you get B, C, A, and you get C, A, B. This is what we were required to prove here, isn't it? This is what we are required to prove: ABC, BCA, and CAB. So we've got. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Are all the steps clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So we'll do the next one then. I think this is also this was a good problem and an important problem also. Yeah, let's see the next question. I have done 18, 2. Okay, let's see 19. Another IC question. And this is 19 is also an easy one, I think. And yes, an important one. Number 19. Very important one. Let delta is equal to, this determinant is given, x, y, z, x square, y square, z square, yz, zx, and xy. Okay, this determinant. You need to prove that this is equal to x minus y, y minus z, z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx. Now see here, you have, if you see the rows and the column, in the first row what you have? X, y, z. Second row you have x square, y square, z square. And the third one you have yz, zx, xy. Okay. Now, in the column wise, if you see, you have x, x square, yz. You have y, y square, zx. You have z, z square, xy. What you see that in this third row, you have yz, you have zx, and you have xy. So here, what is missing? X is missing. Here, what is missing? Y is missing. And here, what is missing? Z is missing, right? So whatever is missing, we give it. Okay. So how do we give it? This technique, remember, you write x, y, z by x, y, z. I have shown you this technique earlier also.
Yes.
Okay. Now what you do is, this x you multiply with the first column. This y you multiply with the second column. This z you multiply with the third column. Okay. So what do you get? X square, x cube, x, y, z. Get y square, get y cube, and you get x, y. Now obviously you have a 1 by x, y, z here, because you're multiplying x, y, z with these columns. You have a z square, you have a z cube, and you have x, y, z. Okay. Multiplying. The first, second, and third columns by x, y, and z respectively. Okay.
Yes.
Next, what should I do? I can take this xyz, this xyz, this xyz out of the third row. So I take xyz out. I get xyz by xyz into x square, y square, z square, x cube, y cube, z cube. 1, 1, 1. Now is it easy or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Taking
sir.
xyz common from the third row. Now you can do this. Okay? So this becomes 1 simply, nothing. All this cancels x, y, z. This x, y, z, everything cancels. So now what you do is you subtract the first column from the second and the third column. So what do you get? Y square minus x square, y cube minus x cube, and you get a 0. Z square minus x square, z cube minus x cube, and you get a 0. Okay, so subtracting the first column from the second and third columns respectively. Okay, so now we expand by which row? Now we should expand by the third row, isn't it? Because third row has 2 zeros. So which position is
Sir,
it? This
by
is
the
a,
third.
yes, this is a plus position. So this will be y square minus x square, z square minus x square, y cube minus x cube, and z cube minus x cube. Okay. Now before expansion of this 2 by 2 determinant, we take out a common factor. We have this as y plus x into y minus x, and this as z plus x into z minus x. And y cube minus x cube is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square.
Yes, sir.
And this is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. Right? You can write here your reason expanding by the third row. Okay. Now what can you do here? You see that y minus x is common here in the first column. So you can take y minus x out of the first column. Z minus x you can take out of the second column. Okay. Now what is left with you? You're only left with y plus x. Here you are left with y square plus xy plus x square. Here you are left with z plus x, and this you are left with z square plus zx plus x square. Okay. Now you go to, now you can multiply this into this, y plus x into z square plus zx plus x square minus z plus x into y square plus xy plus x square. Okay. And you close the curly brackets also. So what are you left with? Y minus x. Simplify this expression. Z minus x into, you have got z square y plus xyz plus x square y plus z square x plus x square z plus x cube. Okay, all this minus y square z plus xyz plus x square z plus y square x plus x square y plus x cube. Okay, something will cancel here if you open the brackets. You open the brackets, you get z square y plus xyz plus x square y plus z square x plus x square z plus x cube minus y square z minus xyz. To be a minus xyz minus x square z minus y square x minus x square y minus x cube. So let's see what all cancels. Plus x cube minus x cube cancels. Plus xyz minus xyz cancel. Anything else?
Yes, sir.
Anything else cancels? Z square y? No, I don't think anything else cancels.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, nothing cancels. Then it has to be factorized. This has to be factorized. How do you factorize this? How do you factorize this? You can take two at a time, right?
Yes,
You have a z square here, you have a z square here. Take them together. Z square y plus z square or not z square y, z square x. You can group these two together. Yes, you can group these two together. Z square y minus y square z.
Sir, one more will cancel. X square y
Hmm.
minus x square y.
This will cancel. Okay, fine. This will cancel. Okay. So z square y minus y square z, you are going to get, and
Sir, one more will cancel. X square z and x square z plus minus.
x square z will also cancel, no? Yes, this will
Yes,
also
sir.
cancel. Fine.
Then it is left
Then how many
y
terms
square
left? Z
minus.
square y, z square x, y square z, and y square x. Okay. And among these, what is common?
Sir, z.
Z square
Then
x plus y, x plus z. These are going to cancel. Then you group z square y minus y square z together, and here you group z square x minus y square x together. Okay, you group these. So you get y minus x into x z, sorry, z minus x.
z and y will be common.
Z minus x.
Then we have z.
And from here you can get z, yz common, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
You get z minus
Y.
y. And from here x common. So you get z square minus y square. Okay,
Yes, sir.
now this is done. Yz into z minus y plus x, and z square minus y square can be written as z plus y into z minus y, which is y minus x, z minus x. From here now, if you take z minus y common, what are you left with? Let us put a box bracket here. Instead of curly brackets, let us put a box bracket because we are going to use curly brackets later on inside the box bracket. Z minus y I take common. So what am I left with? I'm left with yz plus x into z plus y. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Amir, where are you lost?
Yes, sir.
Where are you lost?
No way. I'm just seeing the. I'm seeing the.
You're in a very bad shape, I tell you, Amir, as far as your studies is concerned. Your yes sir tells me you are in a very bad shape. You can write y minus x as minus x minus y. Okay. And what else is here? X minus y. Then you have a y minus z. And you have, what else do you have? You have z minus x. So z minus x you write as it is.
Yes, sir.
And from here you write this as minus of y
Sir, we
minus.
have got yz plus xz and plus xy, no?
Yes, xy plus yz
Plus
plus zx we
xz.
have already got.
Yes,
So
sir.
now we have got x minus y into y minus z into z minus x into xy plus yz plus zx, which is the required proof. Okay, move on to the next one. Very important problem, this one.
20, sir.
This one was 19.
Yes, sir. Now 20, no?
20 is also an IC problem. 20 can you do on your own?
Yes, sir. We will show it to you.
Can you tell me what is the this thing? What is the first step to 20?
Sir, the first step is what? Sir, we will add what is missing, like in the first lessons which we have done.
Let me just see the problem once again. Okay, number 20.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Now you can do.
Yes, sir.
Now you can do number 20.
Yes, sir.
So that is why I'm not doing. Finish it on your own. Number 20.
Okay.
Number 21. Let's do.
Okay, sir.
Number 21. Show that this determinant is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. So I write let delta is equal to a minus b minus c 2b 2c 2a b minus c minus a 2c 2a 2b c minus a minus b. Okay. You need to show that this is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube. Now what do you mean by a plus b plus c whole cube? You need to take out a plus b plus c as a factor, right? From the determinant. Isn't it? This is what
Sir,
a plus
can
b
you
plus.
repeat what you said?
It means that you will have to take out a plus b plus c as the factor from the determinant, isn't it? If this is equal to a plus b plus c whole cube, that means you will have to take out three factors of this form: a plus b plus c, a plus b plus c, and a plus b plus
Yes,
c,
sir.
right? Isn't it? This is what it means.
Yes.
Okay. So what I'll
Yes,
do
sir.
here is